Primary School Math Olympiad, Geometric Challenge 24. Quadrilaterals. This is a challenge for Primary School Math Olympiad for questions related to geometry for quadrilaterals. There are 5 questions. The challenge is to complete them within 25 minutes. If you can't achieve it the first time, do not be disheartened. With practice, if one works hard and revises this challenge multiple times, one should be able to complete this challenge within 25 minutes. Question 1. The diagram comprises 3 squares. If the biggest square is 32 centimeters squared, what is the area of the smallest squares? Question 2. ABCD is a square. Fold along BD to create triangle BCD. Fold along BC, which creates the final diagram. DE to EB ratio is 3:1. Angle BFG is 90 degrees. Find the ratio of shaded parts against the original square. Question 3. PQRS is a parallelogram with an area of 24 centimeters squared. Point P, Q, R, S is the midpoint of A, S, PB, QC and RD respectively. Find the area of the rectangle ABCD. Question 4. ABCD is a rectangle. E and F are the midpoint of BC and CD respectively. Find the area of the shaded part as the fraction to the rectangle ABCD. Question 5. The diagram comprises 4 squares. If the biggest square is 45 centimeters squared, what is the area of the smallest squares? Answer for question 1. Add the red dotted lines. The biggest square comprises 16 same-sized triangles. Thus the area of each of these triangles equals 32 divided by 16 equals 2 centimeters squared. The smallest square comprises 4 such triangles. Thus the area of smallest square equals 4 times 2 equals 8 centimeters squared. Another approach is to shift the smallest square as shown in the second diagram to the top right of the biggest square. The area of the smallest square equals 1/4 of the biggest square equals 1/4 of 32, which is 8 centimeters squared. Answer for question 2. Given DE to EB ratio is 3:1, thus BF to FC ratio is 1:3. Assume BF equals A, thus FC is 3A. Since BF equals A, thus EF is A2. Triangle EFC equals half of A times 3A, which is 1.5A squared. BC is 4A, thus the area of square ABCD equals 4A times 4A equals 16A squared. Thus the ratio of EFC to ABCD equals 1.5 to 16. The answer is 3:32. Answer for question 3. Add the red dotted line to the diagram. ABCD is divided into 10 equal-sized triangles. Given parallelogram PQRS is 24 centimeters squared, thus each triangle is 12 centimeters squared. Area of ABCD equals 10 times 12. The answer is 120 centimeters squared. Answer for question 4. Add the red dotted lines to the rectangle. Triangle A equals triangle B. As such, the rectangle ABCD can be divided into 16 equal parts. The shaded part is thus 3/16 of the rectangle ABCD. Answer for question 5. Rotate the smallest square by 45 degrees clockwise and shift it to the top right of the biggest square, as shown in the second diagram. The second diagram shows that the area of the smallest square is 1/9 of the biggest square, which is 1/9 of 45. The answer is 5 centimeters squared. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.